Good morning, students. I hope everybody is fit and fine. Today's video is from your reader book. So everybody open page number 99. Today I will explain you a modern poem by Homework by Ron Mendrick. It's a poem of a small child like you all who keeps postponing the completion of his homework and later gets scared from a horrible dream and then learns a lesson to complete his work on time. Now let me read and explain you the poem. I will do my homework tomorrow. I will complete it in a flash. In a flash, quickly. I am going swimming now. Ma, you should see me splash. Now splash is the sound of water made when one jumps into the water. As majority of students keep postponing their school work for a later time, the child in the poem also keeps delaying the completion of his homework. The poet gives an excuse to his mother that he will complete his homework quickly, but tomorrow. At present, he wants to go for swimming and wants his mother to see him splashing in the water. That night when I was sleeping, the child in the poem, was sleeping, I saw a shadow loom. He saw a shadow loom, large shadow. He saw a large shadow. It towered tall before me. Shadow raised tall before him in a corner of my room, in his room. It means the child in the poem saw a large shadow in his room. Now what is that shadow? Let us find out. And so I made a dash for it and raced right up the stairs, jumping over footstools and toppling over chairs. As the child saw the shadow, he quickly ran behind it and went very fast up the stairs. As he was running, he jumped over the stools, a low stool for resting foot, and toppling over the chairs and keep falling over the chairs. What utter pandemonium, what terror and pure fright, as that awful shadow chased me in the darkness of the night. All of a sudden, what happened? The shadow started chasing the child in the poem. When you see something scary, you make lot of noise, right? So as the bad shadow started chasing the child in the darkness of the night, the child in the poem got frightened and scared, and the scene became very noisy. I am your undone homework, it shouted in a shriek. You should have had me done at least before last week. The shadow shouted that it is his undone homework. The shadow exclaimed that it is his incomplete homework. He should have completed his homework long before, at least a week before. Turn to page number 100. It chased me round the garden through a misty, grey, wet fog. Misty, unclear, grey, wet fog. Remember what is fog? Fog is a weather condition in which very small drops of water come together to form thick cloud close to the land. That nasty, very bad, horrible homework, it went and ate my dog. The shadow followed him round the garden through a misty, grey, wet fog. That very bad, horrible homework, what did it do? It went and ate my dog. As he ate his dog, I bounded right out of my bed. Means the poet jumped right out of his bed and did my homework well that day, and did his homework well that day. And now I do my homework before it's time to play. Now, after that horrible dream, the child in the poem completes his homework before going for playing. It means that it was a bad and a frightful dream, but made the child realize that one should complete his work on or before time. A child should complete his or her homework or learning of chapters before going to play or watching television or going out for a party, etc. Otherwise, with the guilt of incomplete work, one cannot enjoy anything else. I'll complete the book exercises in the next video.